Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about Infosys because tomorrow Infosys quarterly result. So we just ignore the result, news, etc., because we are always believe only in technical. Okay. Let me see what will happen in this coming week in Infi. Okay, so technically, Infi will form a bearish harmonic pattern, but what we consider is, I will show you. So this is the infi pattern, but it strongly hold on this support range. That is, I will show you the strong support ranges in infi is 1650. So 1650 is the strong support zone. Once it's break 1650, we will expect a huge fall in infi. Otherwise, it again touch the previous high, that is 1780. Definitely it will reach once it reverses from this level. So this is the great opportunity to buy in Infi because the stop loss is very near. So if hit stop loss, there is no problem because your risk reward is very good in this point of view. Okay, I will show you the exact levels where you buy and where you sell because already analysis in Infi. I will show you. So this is the Infi levels for the coming weeks. Now it's exactly in buy range, that is stop loss range. So if you are aggressive trader, you can buy in this level, that is buy above 1675. The targets are 1730 and 1791. It's almost 1800. Once it's break 1650 a daily candle basis, you go for short in Infi. The targets are nearly 1583 and even 1530 also possible in Infi. I hope this video was useful. If you have any doubts or query, you can uh, post in comment section. We will definitely answer your all queries. Thank you.